Haitians have made national headlines yet again, and this time we're being accused of eating pets. As silly as this may sound, this is a smear campaign, a vile attack against the Haitian people. This all began in August at a Springfield City Commission meeting when a 28-year-old man claimed without evidence that Haitian migrants were going to local parks, stealing ducks, beheading them, and then eating them. This image then went viral, but it's out of context. Also, this man isn't Haitian. The police revealed that he's South African. Then, on a Springfield Facebook group, someone claimed that a friend's cat went missing. Days later, allegedly, this cat was found, strung up, and butchered by a Haitian migrant. There is no evidence of this story being true, not even a police report. A video, however, did go viral of a young Black American woman who was in a manic episode and allegedly she ate a cat in front of her neighbors. But let's be clear, this young woman is not Haitian. She's not even a migrant. She is American, but somehow Haitians are the villains. This story has flooded social media. Racist images depicting Haitians as a threat, as dangerous, are being spread all around, and prominent figures like J.D. Vance, Elon Musk, Ted Cruz are perpetuating these lies. J.D. Vance's tweet alone has over 10 million views, even though the Springfield City spokesperson and the Springfield Police Department have debunked these lies. Eating cat is not a culinary tradition in Haiti. We eat chicken, beef, pork, goat, and make no mistake about it, our food is top-notch. But let's be real, this is not a discussion about Haiti's culinary practices. This is about dehumanizing, degrading, villainizing the Haitian people. Time and time again, we see it. Earlier this year, there were viral claims about Haitians being cannibals. And these lies are easily perpetuated because the public is predisposed to see Haitians as subhuman. And this is dangerous because our perspective will impact our policies. Do you remember in the 1990s, all across the United States, there was a viral rumor that Haitians were responsible for AIDS in the United States. Media and public figures worked together to spread these lies. The FDA even banned Haitians from donating blood in the 1990s because they thought we were the source of the problem. And the dehumanization of Haitians dates back to the birth of our nation, when our ancestors in 1804 defeated their colonial powers and declared independence from France, creating the first free Black republic in the world. Haiti was a threat to the existing world order because we became the first nation to permanently abolish slavery, and slavery fueled the world's economy at that time. So there was a concerted effort to destabilize Haiti by dehumanizing our people and belittling our victory. Take a look at this viral cartoon from the 1830s after Haiti gained independence. It depicts a caricature of a Haitian ambassador meeting with the US president. The Haitian ambassador is a subhuman creature who speaks a broken English, and the odor that he gives is foul. Perspective impacts policy. The United States didn't recognize Haiti as an independent sovereign nation until 1862. Nearly 60 years after our independence. These attacks are not new. Haitians are constantly defending our humanity, justifying our presence, and we will not lose hope. As we fight for the advancement of our people, we'll continue to call out these racist attacks. Viva Haiti!